Is your laptop's Wi-Fi suddenly slow? Websites taking forever to load? Videos buffering? Before you blame your internet provider, there are several quick tricks you can try right now to boost your Wi-Fi speed instantly. In this video, I'll show you simple but powerful steps that can make your laptop's connection faster and more stable, whether you're using Windows or macOS. Let's start with the first trick: refresh your Wi-Fi connection. It sounds basic, but it works more often than you think. Turn off your Wi-Fi for a few seconds, then turn it back on. This forces your laptop to reconnect to the strongest channel of your router and can fix temporary congestion. The second trick is to move closer to your router. Wi-Fi signals weaken as they pass through walls, doors, and floors. Even changing your position by a few meters can drastically improve your speed. If your router is far away, try using your laptop in a more open area to get a cleaner signal. Next is a very effective one: forget networks you don't use. On Windows, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and select Wi-Fi. On macOS, open System Settings, then Wi-Fi. Remove old networks that your laptop keeps trying to connect to. This helps your computer focus on the fastest available connection without switching back and forth. Another powerful trick is to disable bandwidth-heavy background apps. Many programs run silently in the background and consume your internet without you knowing. On Windows, open Task Manager and check the Network tab. Close apps using too much data. On macOS, open Activity Monitor and do the same. This instantly frees up bandwidth for what you actually need. Now let's talk about DNS. Changing your DNS server can dramatically improve your speed. You can switch to Google DNS by using 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, or use Cloudflare DNS at 1.1.1.1. These DNS servers are faster, more secure, and more reliable than the default from your provider. Many users notice speed improvements within seconds of switching. Another tip is to update your Wi-Fi adapter drivers. Outdated drivers can cause slow speeds, signal drops, and poor performance. On Windows, open Device Manager and update your network adapter. On Mac, updates come automatically with system updates, so make sure your system is up to date. If you're still experiencing slow speeds, try switching between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. The 2.4 GHz band has longer range but slower speeds, while 5 GHz is faster but has shorter range. Choose 5 GHz if you want maximum speed and you're near the router. And finally, restart your router. Just unplug it for 10 seconds and plug it back in. This clears temporary overload, resets the channel, and refreshes the signal. By following these simple steps, you can dramatically improve your laptop's Wi-Fi speed without spending anything. Try these tricks one by one and watch how your connection becomes faster, smoother, and more reliable. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.